Struggling with sore nipples and latching woes? Here's the fix every mom should know. Moms, if breastfeeding feels like pain instead of bonding, you're not alone. Sore nipples, bad latch, tears, every feed becomes a struggle. But what if one simple, science-backed technique could end the pain, for good? This guide reveals the exact steps lactation experts use to help moms feed comfortably and confidently, plus a bonus checklist to track healing and milk flow. See testimonial. I fed my baby without crying for the first time. Both my twins latch perfectly now. It worked faster than any consultation I paid for. Go from painful feeds to peaceful bonding, starting today. Click the link below to grab your copy now and start your pain-free journey today. Because every mom deserves comfort and connection.